Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asfarina Barira Salma. I'm from 3MSU. Okay, let's start. What a topic sentence and why is it such an important part of paragraph? Well, the topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph. You can think of it as an umbrella. It's the most general sentence of the paragraph that covers all the other sentences as in that paragraph. So it works pretty much like an umbrella that covers all the other samples as in a paragraph. Now, why is it so important? Why is the topic sentence such an important part of a paragraph? It's because it holds the main idea of the paragraph. In other words, it tells the reader what the paragraph is going to talk about. So, basically, if you have a good topic samples after I read your topic samples, I should know exactly what the other parts of the paragraph are going to tell me. What are all the other sentences going to be about? That would be a very good topic sentence. Alright, here is the first paragraph. As you can see, the topic sentence is underlined here for us. A great restaurant have certain qualities. Now, after you read the top examples, can you understand what the entire paragraph is going to talk about? Yes, very clearly, we already know after we read the very first sentence, which is the topic samples, that all the other sentences are going to talk about certain qualities of all great restaurant. And it's a very good topic samples because it's clearly give me the main idea of the paragraph. And the main idea is again the fact that all great restaurants have certain qualities. But as easy as it seems sometimes, writing a topic sentence can be very tricky. There are some very common mistakes that are usually made when we try to write a topic samples. So let's move on to the next slide. So to see what are some very important points to keep in mind when it comes to writing a topic samples. Well, now let's see how we can write a good topic samples. There are 3 points to keep in mind when it comes to writing a good topic samples. The first one is the fact that a topic sentence must not be a well-known sample fact. So a topic samples cannot be a well-known simple fact. What do I mean by that? Let's have a look at the examples. Computers are useful. Well, it's something that everybody knows already. Everybody agrees with, and it's not offering any new interesting information to the reader, right? So this doesn't make a good topic samples because it's only telling me some very simple fact. But I can change it a little bit and come up with a very good topic sentence. What about this one? Using computers in class helps students learn better. Now, in these samples, I have something actually interesting to present to the reader, so it can be something that the reader doesn't really know about or doesn't really agree with, so it's a lot more than a simple general fact. And have a look at the second example. Many people have hobbies. Well, of course, many people have hobbies. Nothing new, nothing original, nothing interesting about that fact, right? But again, if I change it a little bit, people choose their hobbies based on different factors. Now this one is actually presenting something new, which is a lot more than a simple fact, right? I can write one paragraph about it, and I can actually raise the curiosity of the reader, and there is something interesting to offer to the reader in these topic samples. So this can be a good topic sentence. So number one, avoid well-known simple fact as your topic sentence. Don't think what number 2 is a topic sentence must not be too specific. This is a very common mistake. Now let's have a look at the example so that it becomes more clear for us. Zebras have strips to protect them in nature. So this sentence is true. This sentence is interesting. This sentence is very interested in structure. Nothing wrong with the samples. But you think it's a good idea to use it as a topic sentence? Not really. And why not? Why not do you think you can write one whole paragraph explaining these samples? Not really. And the reason it is because the sentence is too specific. The sentence is actually too detailed, and there is no way you can explain the sentence in one paragraph. There is no way you can explain it into one paragraph again because it's too specific. So this is not a good topic sentence. But then again, I can say something to make a good topic sample. Animals protect themselves in nature using a number of techniques. Now, this one is not as a specific. I'm talking about animals in general, and I'm talking about a number of different techniques. No, it's actually not as a specific as zebra having strips to protect them in nature, and I can easily develop that into a one paragraph. Now, let's have a look at the second examples. If you know English, you can travel around the world with no communication problem. So again, this is a true samples, right? But can you strict it? Can you develop this into the one word paragraph? You really cannot because it's only stating a very specific fact. So there is nothing else you can say about that. You cannot really explain that into one paragraph, right? But then again, let's change it. Come up with a good topic samples. Being able to speak English has a lot of advantage in today's world. Now, what do you think of this one? Do you think I can explain this into one paragraph? Of course, because it's not as specific as the previous topic sentence, and I can easily expand into one paragraph. I can give details, I can support it in different ways, and I can get the reader to agree with me by the end of the paragraph. Now let's have a look at the next. Well, the third point to keep in mind about writing a good topic samples is that we should know a topic sentence must not be too general, so it should not be too specific or too general. Some examples will make this more clear. Vacation costs a lot. So as true as this sentence, it's actually too general when we talk about vacations. What type of vacation are we talking about exactly? What do we mean by costing a lot since it can mean different things to different people and it costs a lot for whom? So basically, we cannot cover this subject in one paragraph. We need one whole essay or maybe a book to cover all aspects of these samples, and one paragraph will not do much for us. It's not enough space to explain this subject fully, but I can again narrow it down. I can make it a little more specific and have a very good topic sentence. There are certain expenses you should consider before going on vacation. Now with these topic samples, I can actually go ahead and write a very good paragraph because one paragraph provides me with enough space to elaborate to explain the subject, different expenses that should be considered before going on a vacation. This is a very good topic sentence. Let's have a look at another poor when it's hard to learn a new skill again. Too general and we cannot talk about it in enough details in only one paragraph. We need one whole essay or even a longer space to cover all aspects of the subject very well. One paragraph is too short of this. So again, I have to narrow this down. I have to make it a little more specific and come up with something like learning a new language always come with some challenge. Do this a very good topic sample because I can actually write and one paragraph about this comfortably. I don't need a lot more space. This is specific enough and general enough to allow me to cover all aspects of that in one paragraph. Alright, what we have here is actually a paragraph which doesn't have a topic sentence. I need you guys to read this paragraph and see which topic samples do you think is the best for this paragraph, A, B, or C. Okay, so actually the correct answer here is C. Small business have general for this paragraph because this paragraph is specifically talking about economic benefits and economic benefits for local people only. So C is the best topic sentence here. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.